So this is studio light first setup. It has a probe which is flash and it is a continuous light. Continuous light can be switched on continuously or you can keep it off. You can increase or decrease the intensity of light using these two buttons. Okay, two things. Shadows are harsh when the light source is small and light source is far from your subject. Bringing it closer to the subject is fine. I can move it and can bring it closer. What about the size? How can I make this bulb bigger? Mahi, do the light setup for split photography. Sasha, you have to check whether the light is right or not.